have here a tale of two packages. I placed an order with Wicked Ginger Soap for some wax melts. And the first package was shipped on 2/3, and it never arrived, although there was a confirmation of delivery. So I contacted Wicked Ginger Soaps and I let her know it hadn't arrived. And then she put a tracker on it to find out where the package was. They confirmed delivery at 9 a.m. in the morning to my house. However, mail doesn't even get here till 3 p.m. every day at my house. So the second that I got the confirmation, I still went outside to check. Box was not there. Anyway, so we didn't get the package. So this past Saturday or yesterday, if I post this today, I don't know, I received 2 boxes. So she had sent a replacement, and the replacement went out on the 13th. So I got 2 boxes. By then, she had already put in a claim with USPS because they could not find it. And on Saturday, both packages were sitting on my front porch. The old one and the new one. Of course, I then let her know that I got both of them. I sent her a picture of both boxes, and she told me since she had put a claim in, I can keep the second box, which is very generous of her because I wanted her to send me an invoice. I didn't want to try to get free product. Anyway, so let's take a look at what we have. She has excellent customer service, by the way. She helped me so well throughout the whole process. So here's the first box, and it says, "Thank you for your order. Hope I love her wax." All right, so let's see what we have. I forgot because I forgot what I had ordered actually. So I do remember a couple of them because she was asking me about replacements, so I do remember a couple of them. She was sold out of these, so she wasn't going to be able to get me some more. So I'm glad I got my original shipment. Oh wow, look at this. All right, so let's take a peek at what we have in the first shipment. Goodness gracious, did I order that much? I didn't remember. Is anything else in here? I think this is empty. All right. By the way, again, she was super amazing about me letting her know that I hadn't gotten the shipment, and it's looks like it was probably in somewhere warm with the USPS because the packages look like stuff is melted a little, and it's winter and it doesn't usually happen. Oh great, these were poured in September, which means they're probably good and ripe for warming at this point. So this first one that I have is called Sweet Woods, and it is in the shape of a little froggy. I will take them out so you can see them closer. And this second one is Mocha. And I think I just got it because of the shape. I'm not a mocha girl, but it's going to make a cute melt. This next one is Sweet Cotton, Fresh Cotton, and Sweet Honeysuckle, which sounded like it smelled awesome. And then these I really loved, and they're a lot bigger than I anticipated. Rosy Lemonhead. I believe that one of them was supposed to be, or maybe it's a mixture of Abobath and Rose Jam. I don't know, but I just thought they would be super pretty, and I love Rose Jam, so why not try it? We have Apple Licorice, and we have, all of these were poured in September, so I guess they've been sitting around for a little while, which is great for me because the longer it sits, the better the smell is. This is pomegranate cider, and it has a lot of cute little shapes. I will open them up and show you in a minute. Oops, and then we have Berry Woods. Berry, sandalwood, and vanilla. Oh, this one was poured actually way back in the day, so a year ago. I love when they have the pour dates on there, by the way. This is on the line, fresh powder like musk and florals. I'm going to open all of these up and show them to you in a minute. I really want to see what they look like myself. Mystic Gardens, citrus, wild cherry, ozone florals, cashmere, musk, and vanilla amber. Let's see, is this just, oh yeah, it is a hard wax. And then we have Mystic Garden, Citrus Ball Cherry, Ozone Florals, Cashmere, Vanilla, Musk, and Amber. Oh, so it's two of these actually. I was going to say, wait a minute, that sounds like what I just said. All right, so I'll be back with them all open. All right, I am back. And here are the items unbagged. This is super cute. It says mocha. And I really don't like, mocha type scents. And it smells sort of like, what's that? Tootsie Roll. That's what it smells like to me. This one smells amazing. Very lemony to me. Then we have the Sweet Cotton. And that's what it smells like any kind of cotton candle type situation. We have Sweet Woods. It smells very fall-like. Then we have Apple Licorice. Very cute little shape. And then we have this bag of pomegranate cider in different shapes. And I don't know if the fact that they're sort of like, melty or even banged up a little bit is because some of these are older. So they've been sitting around since September or whatever. You see how the bag has a bunch of stuff. That's usually when stuff has melted a little, or maybe the bags have been sitting around for a while. But again, the longer a wax melt has to cure, the better it smells. And then we have, oops, that doesn't belong there. We have this one here, which is On the Line. Smells awesome. And then these two here, which are two of the same, Mystic Garden. This was poured in, I was going to say September, July. These smell super nice. And then finally we have this little guy here, and it's Berry Woods. And I'm not really sure that I can actually pick up what we're putting down here, but I don't really smell the scent too well. That said, we don't count the scent prior to when it's warmed. When it's warm, that's when the real scent comes out. All right, so let's look at the second box. All right, I'm back, and this is the second box. This is the replacement box, so it should be a pretty quick unboxing because it's a replacement. So it's going to be the same of everything else except one replacement that she was out of. So she had to send me a replacement. All right, so this is what's inside this box. We have the Mystic Garden, which is the same that I had before. And then this one was called, there's no label on it, but I know that I have it on the original. So where is the original? Here it is. It's On the Line. We have, again, the Berry Woods. We have the Sweet Woods. We have Apple Licorice. I feel so horrible that I have duplicates of all of this now. Again, another Mystic Garden. Because I had two of those originally. We have some more of these. Sweet Cotton. We have, fruit snacks. Okay, so I hadn't ordered this one previously, so thank you. And we have this porcupine. Oh, this is that same scent. This is another one of the mochas, but a different shape. And this was what she sent me in replacement of these items, which were no longer available once I placed, once she sent out my new order. This is Pink Sugar. Pretty. Very pretty. Trying to open it to show you guys. That smells amazing. Smells like pink sugar. And then I guess she included a soap. Candied. Oh, I love a lemon. So that's it for my two shipments. Lost shipment and then a replacement shipment. And I'll let you guys know how it goes with these. I'll talk to you guys on the next one.